DCS TV. Yes, bless up peeps, DCS TV in the building. And come here with some quick update for now. Yeah man, there has been major flooding in Montego Bay and is currently going on up to this point where a lot of the streets on the west side of Montego Bay is flooded out completely. Businesses down, you know, people trying to swim across the road, people trapped in their cars in the flood. All type of crazy things, people. I'm going to show you some videos and also some pictures of what's going on. Also, before I do that, I'm going to read an excerpt here from the Gleaner explaining what occurred. Okay, several streets and businesses in Montego Bay, Jamaica have been extremely flooded following heavy rains out west Wednesday afternoon. That's this evening if you're watching it today, which today is the 22nd of November 2018. Alright, photos and videos on social media sites show flooded cars abandoned in the streets converted in major waterways. In the streets that are converted in major waterways. People have also been seeking refuge on elevated plazas and multi-storey buildings. One woman who identified herself as Miss Vicky told RJR beyond the headlines that the situation was grave. She said the water rose as high as 6 feet in some places, converting cars or rails. Yeah, man. So, yes, babes, it's crazy, man. I tell you. When I get too deep in this story, I'm just gonna show you the video. But that's what's going on. Basically, that's the reports. So a lot of people. Some seem to be trapped in the cars and the water, the flood waters take with them cars with them. So it's tragedy, you know. For all the crazy happenings that has been going on in Montego Bay, a lot of people have been tuning into the story and says, you know, a lot of this is because of the violence taking place in Montego Bay. So as crazy as it seems, a lot of innocent lives are also in the mix. So I just wish them safety through this tragic time and all the best. Hope Montego Bay returns to normal, and well, normal in the sense of less violence and, you know, just a peaceful, you know, peaceful place so everyone can live in love and, you know. Yes, peeps. Anyways, just check out the videos them and the pictures them. Leave in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And for all of the new viewers them watching right now, don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. I'm out.
Jesus Christ. Oh God. And somebody in the one day. Oh God. You can't go in the picture. Western, come! one day. Oh God. You can't go in the picture.
If you want this, I see the water they wash everything. Why you not still God, people in the mommy. It's the one carrot in the glass. Bust some glass and come out.
You know, it's a burst glass.
And you hold your head rest and burst the glass. Then I think one of them are panic.
Watch out,